A warm welcome to Madam and my fellow classmate who is currently watching this presentation. Today, me and my group will be presenting about telemedicine virtual consultation. We are from Group 10, which consists of myself, Manrat Singh, Fabian Vinod, Santya, and Nick Adnin. Without wasting any time, let's straight get into Chapter 1. So, Chapter 1 is about Introduction to Interaction Design, where we have 5 key aspects. The first one is usability for easy navigation, and then we have user experience UX to enhance engagement, and then we have accessibility for inclusive to all users, and then consistency for uniform design, and finally feedback for immediate system responses. Interaction design is about creating digital interfaces that are intuitive, user-friendly, and efficient. It focuses on how the system responds. For our project, we developed a telemedicine virtual consultation system which allows patients to book appointments, access medical records, and conduct online consultation with doctors. The system is designed to be accessible, efficient, and easy to navigate, ensuring users can complete tasks with minimal efforts. A real world example we could give for these applications is application like MySejahtera and Doctor on Call, where they provide easy appointment, scheduling, and virtual consultation which give good user experiences. Now, for the second slide, we will be talking about the key design principles applied, which we have 3: simplicity, consistency, and feedback mechanism. In our project, we applied interaction design principles such as simplicity, consistency, and feedback mechanisms to ensure usability. We'll explore these principles further as we go through the design process. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Viri Vinod, and I'm going to present about Chapter 2, which is going to be Understanding Human Cognition in Interactive Design. In interactive design, understanding human cognition and how it plays a very important role in making the system very user-friendly is very important for us to know. One of the key principles that we can look at is the cognitive load theory, because this give importance on keeping the interface very simple without having to make it hard for the user. Shortly, this means making it very easy for the user to understand. Second, as according to the Hicks law, it has been mentioned that fewer choices lead to fast decisions because the user won't have to look at all the bunch of options that we have in the screen, but only a very few of it, which leads to them making and deciding very quickly. And this gives a very user good experience in using our system. Last but not least, we have the Fitts law, where it is mentioned that large and easily clickable buttons improve the usability of a certain system. And we have tried to apply this principle in our designing also, which later we'll have a look, where we have some of our most important buttons very large in size, and also we have placed it in a very good position where it is easy for the user to click. As we can see in the example that I've provided here, there is a comparison between a good UI and also a bad UI in both the pictures, where you can see simplicity is very important, and also the way when the user look at it, they need to understand and have a good positive feeling on it. Moving on to my next slide, uh, which is going to be about applying these cognitive frameworks for better user experience. To prevent usability issues when the users use our system, we apply these frameworks. First of all, recognition over recall. This simply means using clear labels or icons instead of making the users to remember. This means we instead of using text labels where we type words, this is this and all, we can try to use symbols for the user to understand more easier. You can look at the example that I've given also, where there is comparison where one is text label and the other one they have used the symbols like the home logo and also the time, the message, and also the wish list. By this, not only we can try to keep our system interface simplistic, but also it makes things way easier for the user. And when we look at error prevention, this is where we try to make sure pop up some confirmation notification on the screen of user in order to make sure that these users they don't make mistake. When the users don't make mistake, they will have less frustration, which leads to a good experience when they use our system. Last of all, consistency. Maintaining a good consistency across the system as a whole is going to provide a seamless and also intuitive user experience, which will later bring back these users back to our system. All of these principles that I've mentioned, this will be proven when you look at our user interface later on the next chapter. That is all from me. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I will now explain the design process we followed in developing our telemedicine virtual consultation system using the design thinking approach. Our design process focused on three key stages: ideation, prototyping, and evaluation. For ideation, we brainstormed solutions to improve telemedicine accessibility and usability. Our goal was to create a system that allows easy appointment booking, secure consultations, and clear navigation. For prototyping, we use paper prototyping to sketch our ideas quickly. This method helps us visualize user interactions before committing to digital development. For evaluation, we gathered user feedback and made improvements based on their needs, ensuring an intuitive and user friendly interface. Prototyping and refinement. To bring our ideas to life, we created low fidelity paper sketches before digital prototyping. Why paper prototyping? It is quick, effective, and allows rapid modifications. It also helps us to test ideas early and refine usability before development. Iterative refinement process. Button placements and labels were improved after initial user testing to enhance clarity. The video consultation interface was redesigned for better call controls and chat accessibility.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Mi Alina Dwa binti Umar. So today I will be presenting about chapter 4. So for the chapter 4, we have key principles of UCD applied to telemedicine. So user involvement throughout the design process, accessibility and inclusivity, efficiency and simplicity, consistency in design and feedback, and error handling is the key principles of UCD applied to telemedicine. So next we have key design features for usability, accessibility and engagement. So for the usability is we have clear navigation and layout, one-tap action for core functions, and progressive disclosure of information. This 3D design is to support usability of users in using the telemedicine and virtual consultation. Next is we have accessibility, which is customizable text size and color contrast, voice assistant and screen reader compatibility, multi-language support. Next is engagement, which is personal health dashboard, live chat-in, AI system checker, seamless video call experience. All of this is to ensure that the user have the easy time to use on the telemedicine and virtual consultation app. So the next we have persona and usage scenario. So our persona here is a working adult, which is his personality will be driven and ambitious named Sean. So the scenario starts with Sean, a 26-year-old system analyst who works long hours and doesn't have time to visit a doctor. So he experienced occasional migraines and wants quick medical advice. So the step-by-step interaction in the telemedicine and virtual consultation app is Sean will start with open the apps and select start consultation. He is prompted to describe his symptom in a chat-based interface. The system will analyze his system using AI and suggest speaking to a neurologist. So the next chat, Sean will click consult now, and within 5 minutes, he is connected to an available doctor via video call. The doctor provides a diagnosis and prescribe medication, which Sean will order online through the app. So the UCD considerations that we use for this scenario is AI-powered symptom analysis, which save time for the user with minor health concerns, instant consultation option, which meets the need of busy professionals, and integrated prescription ordering as convenience and efficiency. Next, we have initial low fidelity sketch. So we have three sketches. The first one is telemedicine system homepage. We have the navigation bar for the top section and the navigation footer section for the mobile user. So in the navigation, in the homepage, we have all the available services that we can provide. For example, in the navigation bar, we provide quick access to appointments, medical records, video consultations, and settings. User can utilize the search bar for finding doctors together with previous consultations and specific records. This section contains a main dashboard that presents book appointment, start consultation, and view medical records through significant graphical elements with green levels. So the footer section we only have for input shortcuts for homes, messages, notification, and profile. So the next sketches is on appointment booking interface. Users can follow the appointment process using the step indicator, which presents steps for selecting a doctor, choosing a date and time options, and verification. The selection section shows the list of doctors alongside their names and specialties and show their time slot for booking alongside an optional rating system. The user picks an available appointment through the combination of the selection from calendar view followed by the use of a time slot tray. The bottom section has a clear and easily visible large confirmation button with high contrast design. So the third and last sketches is on video consultation interface. The video feed section display the doctor's primary video as the primary focus with the patient's video as small overlay. From the bottom bar of the screen, doctors can find mute and echo buttons as well as features to turn on the camera on or off for quick use during consultations. This interface contains a messaging feature that enables users to communicate through typed messages on the printer shown next to the main window. A patient information panel within the system returns essential medical history information which simplifies doctor reference to existing records. That's all from us. Thank you.